So this real quick video is just reviewing the directions for the day. It's really simple, so it's not going to be very long. I don't have pictures of everything, but you guys are smart. You're going to figure it out just fine. So if you look under the agenda on the board, there's kind of the order of what you should be working on today. So the very first thing is that if you are not done with that evolution worksheet still, where you use the green cells book that has like the picture of the pea pods on the front, that is the first thing that needs to get done. We are going to go through and highlight that tomorrow, so you need to get that done. Okay, there's no reason why there should be any of you that don't have that done by the time class starts tomorrow that you would need to take it home for homework. Get it done, so that's done. Second thing then to work on is what I have here on the screen, which is the biodiversity notes, Cornell Notes. You start on page 95, okay, but this time it is not the cells book. It is the environmental science book, which it's still green and it's still over to the front of the room, but it has a picture of a butterfly, not a picture of pea pods. So it's the butterfly book. When you do Cornell Notes, just to review real quick, each section over here is one of the headings or subheadings in the section of the book. So within each of those subheadings and sections, you should be taking some notes. Okay, now the first part is just the intro, and it's super short. So maybe like just a definition of biodiversity would be it. Okay, that might be the only thing for that one. All the other ones, you should probably be close to 3 or 4 bullets for them. In some of them, I wanted to make sure that you were talking about the most important things. And so I gave some areas of where you should be writing some stuff down, so you can just kind of keep going after all of those, all right? Now it says over here, heading with student developed questions. So the other thing that you should do is that after you take your notes, over here you should create a single question. And that question should be a review question that is taking one of your bullet points, one of your notes, and turning it into a question here. It's not that you don't know the answer to it, because obviously the answer would be right here, but you're creating like study questions to kind of have someone either quiz you as you get ready for the test by using those, or with another student that you can kind of go through and quiz them on to see if they pulled out some of the same information or the important information from the reading. So you should have one question for each part of these. Okay? And it can simply be something like, for this first one, you can use this, it's okay. What is biodiversity? That could be your question that you type here. Okay, so then you work on those biodiversity notes. Those, if you want to work with someone, you can. The evolution sheet, for the most part, you should probably be finishing that on your own just to make sure you get it done. Biodiversity Cornell Notes, you can work together. And then if you finish that, you need to then walk up to the front of the desk, to the front of the room to my desk, and you will see a stack of review guides. Those are due tomorrow. Okay? This is the big thing. This is the big thing. You need a review guide. So if you don't finish your Cornell Notes and all of a sudden you're working on them and the music goes off, you cannot just leave. You need to go up and get a review guide. This is on you. The responsibility is on you. I am saying it loud and clear on this video. So part of the responsibility of you earning full credit for your review guide is you going up and getting the review guide in class. It's on you. It's not on the sub. You cannot tell me tomorrow that you didn't get one. Okay? All right. The review guide is due tomorrow. We're going to go through the evolution worksheet tomorrow. We'll talk about the Cornell Notes tomorrow. These are not homework, though. The Cornell Notes are not homework if you don't finish it. Okay? Okay. That should be it. Thanks. Have a good day. See you tomorrow.